Sometimes I notice when I'm doing the videos, I forget about little incidentals, things that I do automatically that I just don't even think about. And this is one example. This is what I call a wire brush on a motor. It's one of the most often used tools in my shop. Everything I do is wire brushed before applying a clear finish. It's also one of the least expensive tools. My son was cleaning up some copper on the wire brush, and he said, this just doesn't seem to be working. Just not as effective. And I said, oh, turn the brush around. When wire brushing, I am pushing the part into the brush from one direction. Whether it's a Ginkgo Leaf or one of the magic wands, I'm using a lot of pressure of that part, forcing it into the brush to clean the material. In time, the brush is less effective. By simply turning the brush around, the effectiveness of the brush is restored. This is such a simple idea, but it does extend the life of your wire brush, making it much more effective. Now, incidentally, previously I did a video on the wire brush on the motor, how to set it up, the motor, the arbor, mounting it. So you might want to take a look at that. Now, I put in the description below a link to that video. And as I said, this is the most used piece of equipment in my shop. The torch that I use constantly, sure, but everything is cleaned up on that wire brush on the motor.